Hi everyone. Glad to have you again here, and that means that you are really interested to become a rock solid data analyst. And that means that it's my duty to make sure that you learn everything in the right way. So, I'm going to explain you what is the right way and how we have actually structured this entire course. So, we've tried to make the learning journey quite smooth for you. So, we'll start with the basics of spreadsheets, talking about how to access spreadsheets, the different components and parts and sections of a spreadsheet, such as filters, colors, rows, columns, what are those all about, in short and crisp videos. After that, we'll start with tables and charts. So, tables and charts would look something like this, wherein you have a certain set of data and how you can represent it using line graphs, bar charts, so on and so forth. After that, in the third part, we'll touch upon formulas. So, formulas is one of the most crucial parts that you will actually access as far as becoming a data analyst is concerned. So, formulas should technically be very simple. Some are very simple, like sum of all these units sold, and simply hit enter, and you get the sum that is 44. As simple as that. But these are the easy side of formulas. Of course, there will be a lot of complicated ones also, which we'll explain carefully. And once you grasp this, you will never forget it. I promise you. All right. And right at the end, we'll touch upon an optional complex topic that is around app scripts. So you might have seen certain dashboards which are far more interactive in nature, right? Like buttons clicking, things changing automatically, auto filtering, auto coloring, etc. So all these things happen in Excel using VBA, but in Google Sheets, it's a bit simpler topic, and that is your app scripts. So the app scripts is an interesting concept which we'll touch at that point of time. And do not worry, it is optional, but it will actually help you really become a top-notch analyst as compared to all the other hundreds and thousands of analysts in the world. And we'll use it to create some very interesting projects, such as a personalized expense tracker, and also to create an IPL optioning dashboard, which I have personally designed. So I'm really excited to introduce all these concepts to you. And I'll see you in the next video some basics of Google Sheets. See you there.